Yo, check it out. This is the new breadboard kit I got for my Pico 2W. Has a joystick. Oh, boom. Suddenly this little test rectangle in the middle of the display is a drawing tool. Ha! There's also two buttons. This button, beep. Haha, changes the color of the rectangle. Beep, beep. Joystick to move things around. Joystick, yeah. And then beep. Oh, yeah, this other button. And it changes the light color of a built-in RGB LED. Beep, beep, beep. So that's I finally got it configured and stuff, and I can develop it now from here.